Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Hyundai Tucson Ultimate. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine and a manual gearbox which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 29,000 miles, and also comes with full service history from Hyundai. This colour is the metallic dark night and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, you've got the equally nice and clean interior, and being the Ultimate, you get an incredible list of features. So the seats are leather, the fronts are also electric, and the front seats are also heated and cooled. There's a armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features like I mentioned, the car also has a heated steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric memory seats settings there. Further down, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being an SUV, the Tucson's got lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers also have the pull-up blinds, as you can see on the other side. They can also adjust the temperatures from the air vents, 2 charging ports, and also the outer seats are also heated. Opening the tailgate, which is electric. Reveals a good sized boot there, which goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the LED headlights, the full-length sunroof, front and rear parking sensors, and the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. On the rear, you've also got a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.